Hello there, here we have some big kids Merrell Trail Glove 7 barefoot trainers that are selling for £50 on the Merrell's website, although I found these on Amazon for the same price in a size junior UK free. They go up to a size junior 6 and there's 4 other colours to choose from. Quick description from the site, then I'll give my opinion. Firstly, the size chart gives an M for medium width, describes the shoe as minimalist, light, a barefoot feel, has a synthetic breathable mesh upper that lets air flow, an extra grippy non-marking outsole boosts traction, easy on-off closure, anti-stink lining to help reduce odours, a 0mm drop and recycled PET linings. Okay, first impressions, love this funky colour. The style is very similar to the Trail 5s that I've reviewed, but unfortunately the toe space doesn't look quite as wide as his previous ones. The grip on the sole has improved, so we can test that out next week on his school trail run outing. There's an extra coating on 2 parts of the sole, which feels velvety, not sure what this is for, maybe you could tell me. His last pair of barefoot water shoes sole wore down pretty quickly, so it will be interesting to see how these do. The length are true to size, but when trying these on he said they felt a bit tight. This could just be down to it being a new shoe, with more of a glove-like feel than he's been used to lately, or it could be that these Merrells are coming up a bit slimmer than his last pair, or that his feet have widened. Time to get out the measuring tape. Thanks for watching. Adios!